Before summer phase, my family and I decided to take a jeep to Olympic National Park. We've been living in Washington State for over 5 years, but somehow this was our first time visiting. I packed some Kodak Ultramax 400, loaded into my trusty Canon EOS 3, and set out to capture the beauty along the way. Before driving all the way to Olympic, we hopped on a ferry from Seattle to Bainbridge. I used a 35-minute ferry ride as a warm-up for film photography. There's always something beautiful to capture on these ferries. But I wasn't chasing epic shots. This was family time, not a full-on photo mission. I just wanted to snap the best moments I could during our casual ride. After I got off the ferry, we had some food, and before heading to the park the next day, we stayed in Port Angeles, a lovely little town nestled between Olympic National Park and the Pacific Ocean. We arrived at Port Angeles just as the light was turning that perfect golden hour glow. I mounted a GoPro on my EOS 3 to capture my point of view as I should. It was my first time here, but I was totally drawn to the ordinary beauty of this coastal town. People singing and dancing at a sunset concert, shimmering light skipping across the waves, kids laughing and running, and as the sun dipped lower, the shadows grew longer and the light turned golden. There must be something special about this place. It's warm, peaceful, with eyes full of joy and serenity. How I wish I could bottle it up and pass it through the screen to you. The shimmering ripples on the water seem to dance with the melody, creating a kind of magic. For a brief moment, time stands still. The next morning, before heading out to the park, I couldn't help but snapping a few shots of the hotel's beautiful lobby. The way the light danced over the view of the golf course was just too good to pass up. I only wish I had brought a wider angle lens to capture it all. Our first stop at Olympic Park was Lake Crescent. Being a person growing up near a lake, this place just hit me right in the nostalgia. Watching my little boy play here felt like I was seeing my younger self running around back home. Hurricane Ridge is one of the classic Olympic National Park spots, and super hiking friendly since you can drive right up to the top and soak in those gorgeous mountain views. There are plenty of trails to wander and get lost in the green, all while breathing in that fresh mountain air. Since my son is still little, we kept the hike short, but even a quick walk gave us plenty of beautiful scenery. When we got back to the parking lot, I had only 3 frames left in my camera. Then I saw a group of little boys sing with the mountains as their backdrop. It was such an incredible scene, I knew I would be waking up at 3 a.m. kicking myself if I didn't get a shot.
May I take picture? Thank you.
One of the boys proudly told me he had created the sound himself. I couldn't understand a word, but I loved every second of it. It's little moments like this that make me fall in love with life again and again. I enjoyed the rest of the trip with my family without loading any new films, because I know I will definitely be back to this beautiful place someday in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.